So I'm using my drill press, my old Delta drill press from the 40s, as a surface grinder, surface finisher, whatever you want to call it, using a diamond cup wheel and various other items. And what I did is I wanted some fine adjustment for height, and so I added a 1/4 inch steel disc threaded 1/2 inch, 13 threads per inch to match the depth stop. I can still use the drill press with this on there, but what I can do is I can fine-tune this, if I can get the lighting right. Let's try turning it this way. There we go. By just simply turning this, I can adjust for whatever depth I want for the cup grinder or anything else I want to use. I've got it divided into 12 spaces, 12 partitions, and with the 12 partitions, if I take 1 inch and divide it by 12, I get 0.0833. If I divide it by 24, I would get 0.0416, and if I divide it by 48, I get 0.021. So you can divide it any way you want, and then of course you want to lock the spindle in place once you've got it where you want it, just like on a milling machine. The head, I guess you'd lock the head in place, and then loosen it up, adjust it for the next depth of cut, lock it in place, and you're set to go. Could be useful for fine drilling applications, could be useful for surface grinding, surface finishing, or it could be useful if you're going to attempt to turn your drill press into a milling machine, which I've done it a few times, and it makes a really crappy milling machine, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. So, hope you find this little hack useful.